In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create BingX account and complete KYC. By the end, you'll have a brand new account and know exactly how to pass identity verification smoothly. Start by searching for BingX on Google. In the results, click the official link that reads Cryptocurrency Exchange Vertical Bar, Crypto Social Trading Platform Vertical Bar BingX. Double check that the URL is bingx.com to avoid lookalike sites. On the homepage, find the sign up button, usually at the top right, and click it. Choose email registration, then enter your email and a strong, unique password you'll remember. Use a mix of characters and avoid reusing passwords from elsewhere. When you're ready, click sign up to create the account. After that, go back to the main BingX page if it doesn't redirect automatically. Now head to the profile icon at the top right. Click or hover over it to open the menu, then select Identity Verification. On the verification page, click Verify Now to begin. When prompted, click Continue to start the process. You'll see an option to continue on this device or continue on your phone. Choose what's easiest. Continuing on your phone is helpful if your mobile camera is better. You'll typically scan a QR code or receive a link. Otherwise, staying on your computer works fine too. Follow the on-screen prompts and click the highlighted button to proceed. When you're ready, click Continue to move to the document step. Select the country where your identification document was issued and choose the document type you'll use, such as a passport or national ID card. Make sure the document is valid and not expired. Next, take clear, well-lit photos of the front and back of your document. Use indirect, even lighting to avoid glare. Keep the entire document in frame with all corners visible and ensure text is sharp and readable. You'll also be asked for a selfie holding the same ID. Keep your face centered, remove hats or sunglasses, and match the lighting so your features and the document details are clear. If the system asks for camera access, allow it so you can capture images directly. Submit the photos and follow any final on-screen instructions. If an image gets rejected, retake it with better lighting or a steadier hand. Now wait for approval. The advanced verification typically takes between 2 and 10 minutes. You can keep the page open while it processes. Once approved, you'll see a confirmation in your account, and you're all set to use BingX with verified limits and features. That's it. Your account is created and your KYC is complete.